dressed like a hobo. I've been cooking and stuff today, so, but I got my new glasses from Fallbrook. Most girls are, you know, they go shopping for clothes or for shoes. I've been wearing glasses since I came out of the birth canal, so I guess glasses are kind of like my shoes and clothes I go shopping for, so I thought it was about that time to get a new pair. So I went to Fallbrook and I ordered a new pair, and I've been waiting to open it. I got this on, gosh, I think it was last week, but I've been so busy I haven't had a chance. So oh, I always forget. They send you this awesome little tool. Oh, and it's got little nose thingies. Oh, and it's got a lot of screws in there. That's cool. Is it done with the string or something? No? Okay. Okay, so these were my, I think I got these 6 months ago, and I'm not wearing makeup. I'm just, this is what I look like every day. So, oh, excuse me. So these are mine, which I love. I've gotten nothing but compliments for. But then I was like, let's switch it up. Oh, 50% off coupon. So I'll put that up on my website. And I just heard my peach cobbler go off. Something's in my eyeball. Okay. I honestly don't even remember what I ordered. I gotta look up the style for you. I'll have to look up the style for you. But oh, they're kind of like those ones. I think they're just a little bit bigger, maybe? I don't know. Oh, they fit good. Oh, they're cute. All right. Well, I think they're pretty cute. They're super clear. I don't know if you guys can see. Can you see? I'm blind. Oh, these are nice. It's very crystal clear. Okay, let me look up what I got. So you guys, and I think it comes in 3 different colors. Just like these ones, it comes in different colors. Just like the cat ear ones I got, come in different colors. I just don't, I happen to not have purple, so I figured, let's get a different color. Okay, where are you? Okay, so what I got is D as in dog, B as in boy, S as in Sam, N as in Nancy, 62354, A as in apple, and I believe there's purple and then there's 2 other colors. And I think these were $25.99. I mean, $25.99. You can go to like some other company and get some cheapy crappy ones, but $25.99 for prescription and cuteness and style. I don't think you can go wrong. I'm going to put this coupon on the bottom though, so you guys can get yours at 50% off. And I think that's it. You get a little satchel here, or I guess it's not a satchel, this is the satchel. It's a satchel. get a satchel. You get a little screwdriver or whatever this is. What is this? I'm assuming it's a screwdriver. What is this? Oh, it is a screwdriver. That was right. So there's a little screwdriver. Is there one on this side? Oh, there is. It's the other kind. So you can keep it all with your... Oh, and I just lost a nut. Lost a screw, lost a nut. Oh well. Then you just put it all in here. Stick it in your satchel. And ba-bam. Done. So I'll add this. Go get yourself some stylish sunglasses. Oh, you can make them sunglasses. Oh, I should have done that. Next time I'm going to get sunglasses. So get yourself some fancy new glasses for 50% off. And I'm off to make more videos. I have a bunch of yarn behind me. So it's that time, and my peach cobbler is probably burning. So I'm going to go. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget about the coupon. Like and subscribe. See you guys later. Bye.